Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you all are doing great. Today we will be making easy and delicious microwave brownies that literally takes 8 to 10 minutes to get ready. So let's get started. First, let's have a look at our dry ingredients. We would be needing 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour or maida, 1 cup of icing sugar, half cup of cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. First of all, we will add 1 cup of icing sugar in the bowl through strainer. Then we will add 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. The purpose of using the strainer here is just to make mixing a lot easier. Then half cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and lastly 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now coming towards our wet ingredients, we would be needing half cup of melted butter, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 2 eggs at room temperature, and 1 teaspoon of black coffee. Now let's mix our wet ingredients. We will add half cup of melted butter, then 2 eggs, and mix it well. Then we will add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and 1 teaspoon of black coffee. Mix all the wet and dry ingredients separately. Now slowly start adding your dry ingredients in your wet ingredients bowl and keep on mixing. In the end, just add 1/4 cup of magic ingredient, that is warm water. Mix till you get a nice smooth batter. The consistency should neither be too thick nor too thin. Now let's pour our batter into our dish and put it in microwave for 4 to 5 minutes depending upon the power of your microwave. My brownies are ready in 4.5 minutes and it looks delicious. Now let's cut it into pieces. There are many ways to serve brownies, but I like it this way. Sprinkle some icing sugar, drizzle some hot sauce, and yum! Your brownies are ready to eat. By the way, I made this hot sauce by simply adding 2 tablespoons of Nutella, 2 tablespoons of cream, and half cup of milk. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section about your reviews. And if you like the video, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. A detailed recipe is given in the description box. Thank you very much.